If you're here, something precious in your relationship has gone quiet. Desire, playfulness, safety, maybe all of them for a while. You've probably already tried couples therapy, date nights, weekend seminars, do it yourself books, and maybe some of them worked for a little while, but they just don't stick. I'm Dr. Stephanie Bathurst, PhD clinical sexologist, top intimacy expert, and creator of the Flow Relationship Energy Theory. I help couples around the world repair resentment, restore energetic balance, and awaken and enliven that passionate connection sustainably. Most traditional approaches address behavior and communication, but they don't address the core energy blocks that drive them. And so these patterns keep repeating. Your bond runs on energetic patterns. When your flow energy types misalign, communication tools alone will not reignite attraction. And when any of the 8 forms of intimacy are neglected for a long period of time, the whole system stalls. Here's how you fix it. Step 1, you each complete my free relationship type quiz to identify your flow types and the friction points that are unique to your pairing. And then step 2 is in my 90-minute relationship recovery blueprint, I will assess your quiz results with the 8 forms of intimacy heat map, both of which are trademark theories that you can only get by working with me. You'll leave with a detailed analysis of exactly what is wrong in your romance and a precise, personalized blueprint for how to fix those problems. How to release resentment, how to rebuild safety, how to activate desire on command. After helping over 2,800 couples with this process, most report feeling seen within just a few minutes of our blueprint session. They feel clear and hopeful by the end of the call, and intimacy can reignite within just a couple of days of following the plan that I give you. At 3 to 6 months, most describe deeper intimacy than they experienced in their honeymoon phase because it's designed around your energetic essence. Start with a free discovery call with me. We'll confirm the fit, then I'll invite you to a personalized blueprint session that integrates energy recalibration, 8 intimacy forms restoration, some EMDR-informed repair work for resentment, as well as breath and somatic work. I offer in-person sessions in Oahu, Hawaii, or virtually to clients across the world. Click below and take the quiz, and then apply for your free discovery call with me. No more waiting.